Hi everyone, welcome to our third unit of Nutrition 430, which is lipids. I am currently in the process of grading homeworks and exams, and those should be done towards the end of the week this week, so stay tuned for feedback on those. And I just want to go through a little bit about what to expect, the next month in Unit 3. So as you can see here, I've posted Unit 3 and you have a few different folders to take a look at. So one is lecture videos, and in the lecture videos you have some biochem lectures over here, and then there's a little lecture on atherosclerosis and also a lecture on the ketogenic diet. A lot of you in the last section, as you talked about, different interventions for diabetes, really focused on pros and cons of low carb intake. And so I thought in the lipids chapter, it would be great to talk a little bit about the ketogenic diet and do some analysis on that. So this will influence your discussion section. So make sure that you refer to that when you're talking about discussion. When we go back to Unit 3 and take a look at something else that I put in here are the readings. So with readings, these readings are also going to have to do with the ketogenic diet. And again, one is a full journal, and so you're just reading pages 9 through 12, and then another one is just an article on the keto diet and neurological disorders. So you'll be looking at that as well. Then you have homework, which is very similar to last time. So you're going to be gearing some lipid digestion, absorption, metabolism discussion to a Nutrition 230 student, and talking through, how you digest, absorb, and metabolize lipids, finishing off with fatty acid oxidation rather than, storage. So make sure that, you follow that pathway, and then use it in a language that a Nutrition 230 student could understand. I've not posted the exam yet, as you can see, but I did post the discussion. So the discussion is the ketogenic diet discussion. And as you can see here, you're going to be watching the video posted under lectures and then reviewing the articles under the readings folder and discussing some pros and cons of the keto diet for athletes and neurological disorders. Now, make sure on discussion that you are always making sure that you utilize, some peer-reviewed articles above and beyond what I'm showing. A lot of you did a really nice job with that in the last discussion. Just bring in some literature, bring in more conversation that, has some scientific backing as you're having discussions. That's one advantage of being in an online situation where you just have time to do a little research and back up your points with some really good evidence. So that is the plan for the next month or so. I will be filling in the study guides and filling in the exam as we go through a little bit more, but this is just some stuff to get you started. So enjoy your readings and your lectures, and enjoy, maybe a little bit of a rest after our major homework and exam turning in the last few days. And I really look forward to starting to read through all the stuff that you're working on. All right, have a great day, everyone. Take care.